Adding and removing filters to a dataset can be quick and easy. Just click on your dataset and then hold Control and Shift and then press L. This will add a filter to your dataset. Once you have a dataset with filters on, you can click on the filter button on the top row and you'll be able to filter by whatever you want. For instance, product name, filter for Ford, and it will return the results. Then if you click Control plus Shift plus L again, it'll remove the filter. The dataset appears unfiltered again. And so it's the same formula to create a filter to your dataset as it is to remove it. It's just Control plus Shift plus L. Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.